Today we're showing you a 2021 Kubota LX2610 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA535 quick attach front end loader. Tractor is practically new, has approximately 15 hours on it. And again, it's practically new. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the exact dates in the listing there, but I believe it's around December 2024 is when that warranty expires. It does have the skid steer saw quick attach connection for your bucket. Does not look as if the bucket has been used. Front grill guard on the machine. You have a little bit of a crease here in the hood. Looks like something might have been laying on the hood or something. It's right here. I don't know if you can really tell in the video there. It's very minor, but you can see if you look at the tractor closely. But overall, tractor looks practically new. You can still see the ridges and the pips on the tires. It does have the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. Great little tractor for property maintenance, tilling, mowing. If you have some horses or some cattle, you can handle bales, you can scoop manure, anything of that nature, do your barn chores. So very, very versatile little tractor here. It does have the hydro transmission, treadle pedal there for forward reverse, 3 ranges here to the left of the seat with this lever right here. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.